Hey guys, Mike Robertson of RobertsonTrainingSystems.com and Indianapolis Fitness and Sports Training. Here to give you a really specific cue or something to focus on next time you're doing push-ups in the gym. Now, we've talked about push-ups a lot here on the website, on all my videos, but one of the most important things that we've talked about is this idea of reaching and really trying to make your arm long or to push your body away from the ground. But unfortunately what happens is people with really good intentions end up kind of screwing this up a little bit. So instead of reaching, what they end up doing is rounding their thoracic spine or rounding their rib cage. So what I'm going to do is show you the difference so that next time you go in the gym, you can make sure that you're doing it right. Okay, so we've talked about how important reaching is. But like most things, when we're talking about training, it's all about the details. It's all about your technique, making sure you're doing things the right way. So when a lot of people reach, so they get set up and they look fine when they're ready to go, and when they reach, they over-exaggerate and they kind of do this kind of thing. And that's not what we want, all right? I don't want to create a kyphosis. Instead, what I want is kind of a nice neutral spine position, and when I reach, I want to think about keeping my chest out, but allowing my shoulder blades to move around my rib cage. So what you're going to find is the movement's a lot more subtle than you think. Most people want this really big, kind of clunky motion. That's not it at all. Instead, think about staying up tall, reaching long, and allowing the shoulder blades to glide around the rib cage. Very, very subtle, but it makes a big difference. And I guarantee if you do it that way, you're going to start feeling your serratus. So I hope this tip helps you guys out. Give it a shot next time you're in the gym. I'm Mike Robertson, signing off.